Speaker Anita Among okusima kanisa habo kwatanisa na government mu byentunguka n'obu yaba ari omugenyi mukuru aha mukoro gw'okurundana sente zo kwombeka ishomero lya Kamatal Seed School omuringana Bukanga Isingiro District.
Thank you for making sure that you do what government is, what you supplement what government is doing. And as government, we highly appreciate what the church does.
Omukoro ogugwa yetabwamo abantu batari bamwe na bamwe batyo barundana sente kandi Speaker Anita Among yareta obutumwa bwa President miliyoni 15 obwa muhozi Kainerugaba miliyoni 5 kandi Speaker Among owabari omugenyi mukuru yareta miliyoni 10 hamwe n'abandi bingi.
For granted, now Thank you very much.
In total, I have brought 30 million shillings.
From Honorable Minister, who was supposed to have passed, but he went for the meeting. He has pledged 2 million shillings.
Honorable Minister,
Honorable Alex Yargawa, 1 million.
Honorable Yargawa, million.
Honorable Kangwaje, he paid the window, he left 2 million, but he paid 1 million.
Kangwaje, as a million,
Honorable Arane Itwe, it is 1 million. Yani Manasan 5 million.
Bit Speaker yabanza kuraba omukanso ya district kandi aha bamutongezo oburemezo bu district ine oburumwe ngutombi okubura abashomesa bari kumara okubura irwariro lya district byone bari kugira ngo president akabaraganisa.
To the population living with the refugees, but we don't have the district hospital. So we request you kindly, Madam Speaker, if you go back to Parliament and you push this and we get a district hospital, it will help us as the people of Isingiro, and even it will reduce the number of patients that go to Barara.
District hospital, and I will make a follow-up on whatever you will have written to me. One thing that I do once I go to a place and I have issues to be settled, I will follow those issues to the latter.
Speaker Anita Among ari omurutaya yo omuruburenge rwizoba kandi naija kuba nahika omu district zitari zimwe na zimwe. Ruth Nwamanyo muri Isingiro.